I got gold bricks, slug up your whole clique. BUD and cash spitting that dope shit. Seattle go.
Ooh-wee. Man, that's all I can say. Greatness. This is Silver Grillz, y'all. We got a lot of people inbox us asking about platinum or call us asking about platinum grills. And we always tell them that platinum grills is just too heavy. It's the reason you don't see a lot of platinum grills out there. It's just a bad metal to work with. It's hard to polish. It's much more heavier. Be too heavy for the teeth. Be too bulky. These right here, you can get for a very good price. Less than, $500-600. Not breaking the bank. And you got your whole mouth grill, y'all. Inbox me if you need one of these. I got you covered. If you're not, just go ahead and check out the website. It's right under Silver Grillz. You go to Grills, then Silver. You'll find these under the high polished subcategory. Y'all see why I wear gloves when I'm doing these lives, because I cannot get no type of fingerprints on these bad boys, man. You would see them. Imagine if you received these in the mail and they had a nice big fingerprint right there. Oh my goodness, that's something to be upset about. So I would never do you guys like that. We always give it a nice good steam, nice good run over before we ship it out to you, especially if you come in. We definitely do that as well. Thank you guys once again. This is one of our most popular sets right here. 8 top, 8 bottom. We got 10 top, we got 12 top, so whatever you guys want. 6 top, 4 top, or 4 bottom. 2 top, 2 bottom. It's all up to you, man. We make these teeth based around your preference, or whatever you're looking for. Thank you for our family just came through, Samoan family. The Samoans, they really love grills, man. I got to send a shout out to all Samoans out there. Anybody from the Samoan or Tongan culture, man. Much love to y'all, man. You guys are some of our best supporters. And you guys, when y'all come, you bring your auntie, your brother, your cousin, your son. Everybody loves grills, man. Used to seem like this was just like a gangster thing, but actually it was not started down south. This is actually started in 650 BC, guys. There's a tribe called the Etruscan tribe, and they were known for having money, basically, but not known for their hygiene, oral hygiene, that is, not hygiene, oral hygiene. So what they used to do is basically just have their tooth pulled out and put a gold one in there and basically like tie it together with some old school type stuff, you know what I mean? And later on, another tribe started doing it. It's been going along a long time, guys. Centuries upon centuries. Obviously, if it was in 650 BC. So grills and gold teeth and adorning your teeth, putting jewelry in your teeth has been done for centuries, guys. Nothing new. It's just, every era thinks they're the first one to do something. Our era was definitely arrogant, and we thought we was the first. So, but yeah, shout out everybody out there in the lives, man, that support us. Shout out everybody on YouTube. Hope y'all have a blessed week, guys. Tap in. Holla at your boys. One.
I got gold bricks, slug up your whole clique. BUD and cash spitting that dope shit. Seattle gold grills tighter than roast clips. Send you a mo kit, send you a mo kit. I got gold bricks, slug up your whole